Hi guys, today I will be demonstrating my Dash Everyday Non-Stick Electric Griddle. For today's demonstration, I will be making pancakes. I'm just showing you around. Here's the drip tray and the control probe and the non-stick surface. For my pancake mix, I just used the Krusteaz pancake mix, added bananas and some chocolate chips. You can see that I didn't have to grease the pan or anything. And when I flip it, it comes off nice and smoothly and there's no sticking. And here I am demonstrating the other side after it's been flipped and cooked. You can see yet again, there's no sticking, no residue on the non-stick surface. Cleanup is a breeze. Just turn it off, unplug it, let it cool. Here I let it cool for about 5-10 minutes so the pan is still quite hot. Just take a damp tissue and wipe it around, go over it again a few times, and then after use a dry towel and wipe everything off. When I'm making something messier like eggs or sausages, I normally use a wet soapy sponge to clean off the surface. Don't forget the drip tray. And that's pretty much it. Hope you liked my demo.